today I will talk about how can you enable device notifications on your Home app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do in first you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on additional settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on notification settings here. So then you come here to device notifications, clicking this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us as main device notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Like you see, this color show for us as main device notifications enabled with us now. So I wish you a great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.